Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Tenzin Yankey and Samalo Tashidile. Ani Gringazo hard selna nala Idli sere for the first time. Ti number sere ani wadi tengo ani boda sijal charu yadisha. Wadi seder rushni. Ani danga la chulo de nang chulo ya. Nang chulo do competition sele de la. The summer should say, and summer like the children of the sea to lead I. And let this child get the shower. And if you had a set, don't go, and you can't not try to show this.
So here we have rice which is already soaked. In here we used ration rice. Instead of that you can use the rice which is for idli, and also we have dal which is in white color. It's also called urad dal. So we have soaked both the ingredient for more than 10 hours and it's ready to go for blending. And we're gonna add this powder. I don't know what exactly it is, but it will help in fermentation. So let's see. So after blending both the ingredient rice and urad dal, we got this and we're gonna add soda now, or you can also add the soda before blending. And to have a little taste, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt, and it's optional, like you can add or you can skip.
Oh, shush. So which one is looking at which now?
So to make sambar, we have tamarind to have little sour flavor, and also drumstick and brinjal, potato and carrot. But so you can add only 2 vegetables. I feel it's more than enough. And I think it's very important to have tamarind to your sambar because it gives sour flavor, and it actually really is. And it is very easy to make tamarind juice if you have tamarind at your home or your neighbor home. And I got this tamarind from my neighbor house. So yeah. So to make red chutney, we're gonna first fry all the ingredients which is written in your left side, and then we're gonna fry them a little bit, not too much, like you don't have to cook it so much. And after frying all the ingredients, you have to transfer those ingredients into a mixer. And the most important thing to make chutney is chana dal. So you have to add chana dal and then water gradually, and then we added some chili because we want to make it spicy. So to make sambar, it's pretty similar to the chutney, the ingredient we fried. And in here, we just have to add some vegetables and then some spices. And also important thing is you have to use sambar masala for making of sambar. While the vegetables are being cooked, you have to make dal. So you have to make a plain tur dal, and once the dal is cooked, you have to mix the dal into these vegetables, and then you have to add the tamarind juice which we have made before to have a sour flavor.
idli 내가 가면 되지 쌈밥 중요하다 가 chutney idli 자꾸 셔시 아니에요. 쌈밥도 chutney 하고 셔시 사람 친구도.
엄마 뭐가
你什么的呀？还没给，
이렇게 먹는 거.
给我们的哦idli。
那时间那么深的是多的呗，超热的死的是。
맨차 시소 많습니다. 아니 사물로니 그냥 도시와라 그주시나 아니 three video dia nam samshay ani chila video tugo bye bye ani ne chi youtube la subscribe chimela subscribe china and like share and comment dona comment bye bye